Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome to all of you. It is both an honor and joy to stand before this vibrant gathering of educators, change makers, and thought leaders from across the country. Welcome to the Educational Conference and Home Tutor Excellence Award 2025, right here in the cultural capital of India, Kolkata. This year's theme, the idea of education in West Bengal, invite us to reflect not only on where education today, but also where it needs to go, especially for the underserved, overlooked, and the unheard. Organized by Maeeshat Academy Mumbai in collaboration with the Siddiqui Foundation Kolkata, this initiative is not just another event. It's a movement, a national effort to reimagine education from the ground up. So to begin with, I would first of all like to invite Shan Ahmed to recite the holy verses of Quran. Shan Ahmed. Where stories from slums, remote villages, and informal classrooms meet with innovative ideas from global educators and national pioneers. It is here that we recognize and uplift the real heroes of learning, home tutors. Those dedicated individuals who bring the classroom to every corner where hope still flickers. These are the teachers who step into narrow alleys, open their homes, and teach under street lights, not for rewards, but because they believe that every child has a right to learn. We joined by respected partners like Al-Amin Mission, Falcon Group of Institution, Member Academy, and Tutor, all of whom are helping build an ecosystem that champions community learning, youth empowerment, and education equity. And as we look ahead to this evening, we will conclude with what I believe is the soul of this conference, a Home Tutor Excellence Award 2025. These awards are not just trophies, they are tributes to perseverance, to compassion, and to the quiet revolution that tutors are creating, and one child at a time. Let this day not just be about ideas, but about action. The idea of education in West Bengal.